What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we only going to use one account. Now, the reason why we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets is because people usually only buy into My Lead Gen Secrets with one account. They start with one account, and they might add more later. Like most affiliates have like 10 accounts or something like that. But we only using one account because I want to kind of emulate the type of profits you'll be seeing if you were just starting. And you can only imagine how well you do if you had more than one account promoting this product. But anyway, guys, let's get right to it here. Now, first off, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and the links are in the description below if you're interested in following along with me here. And let's get started. So first off, I want to talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. One, it's a funnel builder. It's a very solid funnel builder. And a lot of people out there use funnel builders no matter what kind of online production you're trying to do, say affiliate marketing, drop shipping, whatever it is, right? You need some sort of funnel builder for the most part to get very lucrative with it. And My Lead Gen Secret has a very easy to use funnel builder, has no limitations really. You can connect them many domains as you want, you can make as many pages as you want, so on and so forth, right? $25 per month, that's not the only thing you get, but $25 a month, that's already crazy. All right, guys. The most popular funnel builder out there, ClickFunnels, it's $97 per month, has a ton of limitations. Including something like only a certain amount of people can see your funnel, then they'll shut your page down until you pay the $97 again. And if you want to get rid of all them limitations, you have to pay $300. I think that's asinine. Can't believe I did that. Now, the second reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business, and I think the most important reason, and the reason why I personally was very interested in the product, is because it's 80% recurring commissions. 80% recurring commissions is almost unheard of, guys. That's absolutely insane. That is OnlyFans money. Like, that's the only other product I could think of 80% recurring commission. OnlyFans. That's it. And you know how much money them girls make. This is insane. Right, guys, when it comes to affiliate marketing, this is the top. And even half of that is considered really good. 40% recurring commission is considered really high. So, those are the reasons why I like promoting it. Right, guys? Anyway, guys, let's check our results and see what's going on here. Okay, it looks like I did not get a sale yesterday. Like I stated before, it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal, but it does hurt a little bit. It's not a big deal because I knew my early month was gonna be kind of sluggish, as it has been. All of my sales come in later on in the month most of the time on average, and I knew my early was gonna be kind of hit, but it's not a big deal. One thing that you can't do is let it scare you when you don't get sales, guys. I tell you that all the time. You can't let it scare you if you don't get sales. It's whatever. Remember that a sale is very important and lucrative because they pay monthly. I mean, you get paid every single month by the same person. So one sale could equal like 12 sales. You see what I'm saying? So anyway, guys, also, when somebody show you results, make sure they refresh the page. Whenever they show results, refresh the page. It show real results. It is very easy to change all this around. Remember that, you'll be fine, guys. All right, guys, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go to the mailing list here. We're gonna hit that button there, and we're gonna send out next email, filling my money up, I think. Okay, we're gonna send this email instead. So we're gonna pick the check marks by it. That might be hurting me, guys. I only picked the check marks because I think it's unique and very easy to see, and I think that I think it makes it more interesting. You're like, oh, you see that check mark? Ooh, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's the reason why I picked the check mark. I got a very short email here for this. I think it works really well. I think it's a very short email. Short emails usually work a little bit better in this system, I noticed. Make sure to hit perfect time. What perfect time it does, send an email around time people check the email. And you put your link right here. You want your link to go right here. That's my link there. And this is the link you're going to use here, guys. Well, this is the link I use. You can use any link you want right there. And that's all there is to it, guys. All right, we're going to just send the email. All right, that's all there is to that, guys. See how simple that was? Didn't take no time at all. We already done. Take about 3-4 minutes every morning. To just slap our email in there, send it, and you can make. Last month I made $600. So you can make $600 just off of that. That's crazy, right, guys? Just follow along with me. Hit the link in the description below. Follow along with me. Do exactly what I do. And you'll make the money too, guys. That's all I'm trying to say. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and we out. Peace.